Hi there, this is Ahiraman, and in this video we will learn how to make this kind of a realistic 3D pattern in Adobe Illustrator in just few minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to brilliant world of Adobe Illustrator. So I have a pattern that I made before. So I'm deleting this and we are going to restart it from scratch. I have a gradient that I will use in these tutorials. So first of all, we need to make an polygon just like this. Simply you can press D to reset it and rotate it 90 degrees. So how we can just click the point and press shift and it will snap 2 times and there we are. Now our hexagon. So now choose the pen tool, press P or simply go to pen and click on this point and bring it into very center, into center point and match to this point. Now press escape to leave the pen tool. Now again make over here and match it with the center and press escape. Now we need to select these two lines that we made with the pen tool and press Ctrl G to make a group. Now we need some lines around this. So select this and go to object, path and offset path. So this is the offset path. Choose 50 and other settings will be same and hit OK. Now select all and go to fill and off the fill. Now select all and choose the shape builder tool and just click over here just like this and make a shape. So extra shapes I'm deleting. So pressing Alt and there we are. So we have 3 shapes. So we need to select and ungroup it. Now we have 3 shapes. 1, 2, 3. Now select this one and fill this gradient in this shape. So how we can fit? So simply go to eyedropper and choose this one. Now it have a white outline and fill in gradient. So similarly fill in this by pressing I and choose this one and adjust it according to your settings. And similarly fill here and there we are. So select the all and press Ctrl G to make a group and resize it a little. Now make a copy of this one and drag over here. Just like this and make a group of this by pressing Ctrl G and make a copy. And press Ctrl D to make a even more copies. And now select all and press Ctrl G to make a group and make a copy and drag it over just like this. Select all and make a copy and simply press Ctrl D to make even more copies. Select all and make a group and there we are. So how cool is it? So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give us a thumbs up and share it with others. Subscribe Professor ZAB for more creative design tips, tricks and tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned and Allah Hafiz.